Breaking news, Nigerians. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is finally doomed as U.S. court assumes jurisdiction over Atiku's request for Tinubu's record at Chicago University, says PDP chieftain meets all requirements. Atiku is asking the court to compel Chicago State University, CSU, to produce the academic records of President Bola Tinubu. Political Economics Reports. Welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. The United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois, the Eastern Division, has said it has the power to sit over the case instituted by the People's Democratic Party (PDP) presidential candidate in the 2023 election, Atiku Abubakar. Atiku is asking the court to compel Chicago State University, CSU, to produce the academic records of President Bola Tinubu. Political Economics Reports. According to court documents, the court established that it has jurisdiction over the matter under U.S. law, which authorizes any interested person to request that a U.S. district court under the discovery of documents and testimony for use in a foreign proceeding from persons who reside or are found within its districts. The court, therefore, held that Atiku satisfied all statutory requirements as he is an interested person, and the respondent, CSU, is a public university established and existing under the laws of Illinois, with its principal campus and offices in Chicago. He said it will not hostilate to grant the prayers of Atiku. Nigeria's President Tinubu ran for president on the platform of the All Progressive Congress (APC) on February 25th. In November 2022, several months before the presidential elections, an Abuja-based lawyer, Mr. Mike Onahero, sued Tinubu over alleged certificate forgery, age, fortification, and lying on oath. Onahero, in 3 separate district criminal complaints filed at the Chief Magistrate Court in Wotsu Zone 6, Abuja, alleged that Atiku supplied false information as well as attached forged documents to his Form EC9 submitted to the Presidential Electoral Commission (INEC) on June 17, 2022, to aid his disqualification for the 2023 presidential election. To aid his qualification for the 2023 presidential election. He initiated proceedings against Mr. Tinubu by filing a direct criminal complaint in the Chief Magistrate Court of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT). Mr. Onahero alleged in his complaint that Mr. Tinubu submitted an affidavit of personal particulars to INEC in June 2022 as part of a required filing to run for president, which included an alleged forged CSU diploma dated June 22, 1979. And other information inconsistent with the Chicago State University documents. Mr. Onahero stated that after Mr. Tinubu made his INEC filing, Mr. Onahero obtained a subpoena from the Circuit Court of Cook County dated August 11, 2022, and served it on Chicago State University, according to papers filed by Atiku in the U.S. court on August 2, 2023, to substantiate the accusations. In response to this opinion, the CSU's registrar, Mr. Kleb Westberg, wrote to Mr. Winero's Chicago lawyer, Mr. Matthew J. Cowers, on September 22nd, 2022, informing Mr. Cowers that the enclosed documentation is all the records we have for Bola TINUBU. According to the complaint, the document that accompanied Mr. Westberg's letter included a Chicago State University diploma issued to Mr. TINUBU on June 27, 1979. The June 27 diploma alleged produced by the Chicago State University to Mr. Cowers and the June 22nd diploma allegedly submitted by Mr. TINUBU to INEC are very different documents. In addition to the different dates, the documents have different seals, fonts, and language. The June 22nd diploma has grammatical errors that the June 27th diploma does not have. They are also signed by different persons who are ostensibly officials of the Chicago State University. The June 22nd diploma has 3 signatures, one of which purports to be the signature of Dr. Lara Daniel as president of the CSU. The other 2 signatures on the June 22nd diploma are illegible. By contrast, the June 27 diploma only has 2 signatures. They purport to be the signatures of Dr. Daniel again as the president of the CSU and Dr. Neva Lubin as the chairperson of the Board of Trustees, Compel. In this complainant, Mr. Erunero Ebo ascertained that the June 27 diploma produced by the CSU to Mr. Cowers is authentic and that the June 22nd diploma submitted by Mr. TINUBU to INEC is a forgery. However, applicant staff have recently conducted further research into the name of CSU officials with legible signatures on the 2 diplomas, Dr. Daniel, whose signature appears on both the June 22nd and June 27th diplomas, and Dr. Lubin, whose signature appears only on the June 27th diploma. The report noted that, according to public records, Dr. Daniel and Dr. Lubin did not join CSU until the late 1990s, around 2 decades after the Chicago State University supposedly awarded the June 22nd diploma and or the June 27th diploma to Mr. TINUBU. As a result, the applicant questioned the legitimacy of both the June 22nd and the June 27th. So Mr. Eronero said in his lawsuit that there were more disparities between the information provided by Mr. TINUBU to INEC and the records produced by the CSU to Mr. Cunero. According to documents produced by the Chicago State University, the Bola TINUBU, who attended the university, was a U.S. citizen, while in the information provided to INEC. So Mr. TINUBU states that he has always been solely a Nigerian citizen and has never acquired the citizenship of any other country. So according to the documents produced by CSU, the Bola TINUBU, who attended the school, was born in 1954, while according to the information provided to the INEC, Mr. TINUBU was born in 1952. And the TINUBU that was born in 1954 was a female, not a male. So guys, una see wahala when done enter here so. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.